Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny, and in this video I will be sharing with you all how I got these super cute nails for 12 bucks. Not even 12. These were $10.99. So if you want to see how I got them, oh, I thought I broke my necklace just now. And why do we say that? Of course you want to see. You're already here. You're this close to seeing it. So let me shut up and let you see. But yeah, these are perfect for, say for instance, you can't wear acrylic nails at work or nail polish or whatever the case may be. This is a quick temporary little fix, or even not a temporary fix. You may say, I don't want to spend $50 on an acrylic set. I don't know how much they cost. I've never paid to get my nails done. Clearly low. YouTube, I learned to do them myself. I'm trying to help you all learn to save money to do things yourself at home. So this is the Kiss Nail Kit Masterpiece, one of a kind Luxe Mani press-on nails that I picked up from Walgreens. On the back there's information about prep, glue application, expert tips, and removal of your fake nails. Everything you need on this packaging for information as far as doing your nails. I'm going to start off just by trimming mine down for preference. Inside there is a little file and also a wood stick to push back your cuticles and clean underneath the nails. I'll be showing you all a separate file and cuticle pusher if you all would like, but if you only want to spend about 12 bucks and use everything within the kit, I'm showing you all that it's definitely possible to do so. Taking an optional product, this is cuticle softener and remover by Super Nail. I purchased this at my local beauty supply store. I've also seen this at Sally Beauty, and I'll have links for the items used in my description box down below. Using that product, just kind of messily applying it to my nail bed. This helps me to soften the cuticle area as I push back my cuticles. I will be showing you all these clips in real time, and sometimes they will be sped up for your viewing pleasure. Just in case it looks like I'm being a little rough, faster clips tend to look that way. In real time, this process took me about 15 minutes to do, just depending on the prep work. Also, use this video as a guide for how I prep my nails for acrylic application as well. If you watch my acrylic nails tutorials, I've been getting requests to show you all how I prepare my nails for the acrylic application. These are the exact same steps that I use. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram, that way you all won't miss out on my stories when I ask for opinions on making decisions like if I should film this video. And also picking the nail shape. 85% of my Instagram followers did vote for the coffin over the stiletto, probably because I do mostly stiletto nail tutorials when I do acrylic, because that's my favorite shape. This little cuticle pusher I purchased from Sally Beauty, as well as this nail file, so you do have other options if you kind of are not feeling the file or the wood stick provided in this little nail kit. So repeating these steps on all 10 nails, you just want to shape the nails, push back your cuticles, and clean underneath your nails. All of my nail videos, there's usually a debate about whether you should file in one direction or back and forth, so I definitely showed you all a clip of me going in one direction. Thou shalt not get distracted by discussing filing directions in the comment section down below, but instead let's continue removing all of this junk from the cuticle area. You want to be sure to remove all of that. It'll make the nail lift up if you apply glue right on top of ugly cuticle area, for the lack of better terms, if you will. Whether this is acrylic or just a little press-on nail, you still want to, you know, make them last as long as you can. So far I've been wearing them for about a week. So now we're going to go ahead and begin sizing the nails. And what I'm doing here, as I'm checking the nail, I'm making sure that it covers my entire nail bed. So I think on this one I thought it was a perfect fit, but I'm trying to show you all how, oh, that is the one that I picked, so never mind. I'll show you all on one of the other ones that wasn't really a good fit. If you all can look closely, you can see some of my nail bed. That's why one size up was better for me. And the good thing about these as well is once I find the size, there's numbers on the back, and so I just find the other number and line them all up. So there's different accent nails within the kit, so I'm going to go ahead and take those out. If you only want to do just like the standard pink on all of your nails, or whichever standard color comes in your kit, then you wouldn't have to bother with the accent nails. But I definitely wanted to find which fingers the accent nails would fit. That way I would have a mixture of the different types on my nails, just for a little extra pop and bling and pizzazz. The fact that these have the same type of Swarovskis on them as when I do my acrylic nails, I was like, what? Swarovskis on press-ons? Quit playing. So continuing to check all of my nails this same way, picking up some of the accent nails sometimes and just checking them. If I'm going to use, or if you're going to use a certain brand, say for instance you say, oh, I like this Kiss kit and this will always be the kit that I purchase, nails from, you could definitely jot down your numbers. This will save time when you purchase your next set of nails from Walgreens or whichever brand you all choose. It'll save you time. So for any nail that was very close of a fit but just not quite, you can definitely use the file included just to kind of shape that to your liking. Some nails have like a little well inside of them. This one was flat throughout, so really you wouldn't have to trim down your nails. If anything, if you're going to be content with the coffin shape, you can maybe just taper your own natural nails in that same way. And these are what my nails look like after removing my acrylic application. Normally, I don't hit to have too many ridges, but I was kind of in a rush removing them this time. But it's all good. So I'm going to go ahead and twist off this little twisty cap, and that'll release our glue for us. I was trying to test out different ways to see about how much glue. You don't want to use too much glue to where when you press it onto the nail, all of the excess glue comes out on top of your nail. So we're going to be testing it out to see about how much glue we need. This was 3 drops on the thumb, and you all can see how it's seeping out on the sides. Just take the little wood stick and clean that up. That way you won't have anything to dry around the nail and mess up the actual matte finish on the nail or whichever design you may have. I'm holding this down for about 10 seconds. The packaging says about 5, so you don't have to be too particular about it. Just kind of press it down for a little while. It's super quick, kind of self-explanatory. Clearly 2 drops is kind of too much as well, so maybe 1 drop on the nail. I just want to make sure that I don't have any air bubbles. That's why I press down, and I also use that type of motion where you all see me positioning the nail at an angle and then slowly lifting or pressing it down onto the nail. This one I'm holding for about 10 seconds to make sure they're on very well. Also notice that I'm not taking these nails and pushing them up underneath my cuticle area. They're just press-ons, so we're not trying to get them to really look like real acrylic nails. I personally wouldn't want to press this up under my cuticle. That's kind of doing too much. So yeah, no point in me talking the entire time. I think it's kind of self-explanatory. And the further I was getting along, I did start using 1 drop of glue. None of my nails have come off so far. It's been about a week currently since filming this video, probably a week and a half to be honest. My sister's calling. I'm recording. Okay, so on this particular nail, we're going to try another method. I'm going to do 2 drops and kind of rub it around a little bit. That way it kind of flattens it out, spreads it out further. That way when I put it on the nail bed, it's already spread. That one didn't seep out along the sides. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. 1 drop and then just kind of spread it around along the nail. As far as the option of putting the glue on the nail bed, I feel like you would kind of get air pockets that way, so I didn't try that method. Now there's this little tab. I'm not sure why. Maybe something in manufacturing it does that. Gently file along the edge of the nail to get rid of that. Also, speaking of me having these on for about a week now, I'm currently doing the voiceover. Over time, these nails do lose their shape. As y'all can see how straight across they are on the end. They're kind of rounding a little bit. I don't have my camera with me currently, so maybe I'll insert a picture of what they look like a week later. And as far as that mirrored one, the mirrored portion is gone, and instead of it being matte like the other nails, it's just like shiny now. But for $12 and a temporary quick little fix, it's fine, and we have more nails to save for later, even with some accents left depending on how we size out the nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some lotion to my hands, and that's pretty much it for this video. Follow me on Instagram to see how long I keep these nails on before they come off. And when I remove them, I'll just follow the instructions along the back portion of the packaging. This definitely saves me time, 15 minutes compared to 2 hours when I do my acrylic nails. And again, these are the Swarovskis. They look just like the ones I use on my acrylic nails, so that's a plus. Especially because I was able to get this cute look for less. If you have an event coming up, you can definitely do this in 15 minutes versus trying to schedule a nail appointment. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. If you all like my hair and my makeup, I did do a 3-in-1 on my channel, so don't just limit yourself to my nails tutorials. Check out my hair and makeup tutorial as well. 3-in-1 means hair, makeup, outfit. I'm showing you all of that. So go ahead, click over here, girl, to watch more stuff. Click over here on my cute little face to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We're like this close to 200K. Subscribe.